Hi everybody, this tutorial is presented from knowledgevendor.com. Today I am going to show you how to add, subtract, multiply and division in a single program, in a single C program. Okay, so open your gedit, save the file, give a file name. Suppose in this case I am giving the name as add.c. okay, then save it. Now hash include studio.h int main then what we are going to do is we will initialize two variable. Suppose a variable is a and another one is b, and the sum will be stored in a variable called sum. Multiplication, the result of multiplication will be stored in a variable called m. For subtraction s, and for the result of division we have declared d. Okay, then we will display a message to the user to enter two integer values. Okay. For that, printf enter two integer values. Now we have to save these two values provided by the users in two different variables called a and b. Okay, for that we have to use scanf %d %d. These are format specifier. For more details about this format specifier, I have more videos on format specifiers. You can see all that videos. Okay, then %a %b. So now we have two variables a and b, and we have two different values provided by the user in these two variables. Okay, now we will add them and store the result in the variable called sum. Okay, then sum is equal to a plus b. So in this case, value of a, variable a, and value of variable b will be added and the result will be stored in sum. Now for multiplication, m is equal to a star. Star means this is the multiplication operator. Okay, a star b. So the value of a and b will be multiplied and the result will be stored in m. For subtraction, same, a minus b. Then for division, d is equal to a divided by b. Okay, now we will display these results. For that, we have to use the inbuilt library function, which is printf, for console display of output. So printf sum of %d and %d is equal to %d. There is the first one is the value of a. So a for the first format specifier %d. Why %d? Because the variable is of type integer, hence the format specifier is %d. Next, for the next %d, it will be the value of b and the sum. The last one is sum. So what it will display is that sum of a, that is whatever value is in a, and the value of b is equal to the sum, that is the total. Okay, then we can add a /n. /n, these are escape sequences. /n means new line. That means it will add a new line in the output. Okay, so printf multiplication of %d and %d is equal to %d, that is a, b and n. Similarly, subtraction of %d and %d is equal to %d. The last one, printf division of %d and %d is equal to %d a, b and d. And the last one is return 0. Okay, now save the file, then compile it. I have another video on how to run C program in Ubuntu. So cd desktop then c gcc add.c manage 0 add. Add C in function main. Sorry, we have missed a semicolon here. Now it is successfully compiled. So you have to remember one thing, that every C statements always end with semicolon, and you have just seen that I have missed a semicolon here and it has given an error. So to run the program, /add. Okay, now enter two values, enter two integer values. Okay, suppose the first one is 12 and the second one is 4 in this case. So what happened? Now the output is, for sum 12 plus 4 is equal to 16, for multiplication 12 and 4 is equal to 48, and so on. One thing you can notice over here is that for the first printf I have used /n. That is why after the output of sum there is a new line, but for the rest of the output there is no new line appended. Got it? Okay, now if you run the program again and give the first value smaller than the second one, what happened? Let's see. Now the sum is same as the previous one, multiplication is also same, subtraction is, yeah, this is right, but in case of division the result is 0. Why? Four divided by 12, obviously the result is not 0. So why it is the result is 0 over here? Because I have declared all the variables as integer. This means that this variable can contain only integer values, no decimal point or real values it can hold. So the output of 4 divided by 12 is obviously a real value. That is why the real value is not stored in this variable d. So it shows 0 over here. Got it? Okay, that's all for today. Bye.